In fact, many people do not know. When making white burnt shrimp at home, I recently boiled it in water. I will teach you a method today without a drop of water. The color of the white burnt shrimp made in this way is particularly good looking, and the shrimp meat is not tender, firewood or fishy. It's absolutely delicious. To make white burnt shrimp, you must choose cocktail shrimp. We have 25 caddies here. How much is a gin in your place? Be sure to choose fresh shrimp. Add more salt. Add water. Soak the prawns in endorsement water for half an hour. This will enable. It's good to soak out the dirty stuff inside. Pick it up when handling shrimp. Then put the small antennae on it. And the little claws are cut off for it. There is no meat or bacteria on it, so you can't eat it. And then you turn around. Cut it diagonally above the black dot. So squeeze and pull. The whole shrimp line and the dirt came out. Wash the treated prawns with water several times. It will be cleaner. Then put it in the basin. Add more cooking oil. Stir well with chopsticks. Add cooking oil sauce. If the prawns do not lose water, they will be particularly tender and delicious. Prepare a piece to remove the face. Cut the ginger into thin, thick slices. A little more shallots. Cut into slightly longer scallions and set aside. Do not brush all in the pan. Then put the ginger slices and scallions in for him. Put the processed prawns into the pot. Then add a small half can last year. During the Mid-Autumn Festival, drink the leftover beer for a while. Remember not to add a drop of water, otherwise it will ruin the taste of the shrimp. Then cover the pot. Cook over high heat for 5 minutes. The sand baked in this way is particularly bright in color, and it smells a different fragrance. Add scallions to ball. Chili circle minced garlic. Another spoonful of black sesame seeds. Then drizzle with hot oil to stimulate the fragrance. Season with a spoonful of salt, a spoonful of chicken essence, another spoonful of sugar, a tablespoon of balsamic vinegar, another half a spoonful of light soy sauce, about a tablespoon of oyster sauce. Stir well with a spoon. Such a delicious all-purpose cold salad. The juice is ready. Put it in the prawns and you can eat it. The white burnt shrimp made like this do not add a drop of water. Tender and smooth. It doesn't taste fishy or firewood, and it's incredibly simple. If you like it, collect it and try it. See you tomorrow. Bye.